Today we're going to be doing the half moon. Not the hot yoga kind, the hot cha-cha kind. Two, three, four, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. A good way to get into that half moon is half a basic into an underarm turn, like so. And 2, 3, 4, underarm turn, and then we're gonna switch to a handshake hold. Everybody does a New Yorker with a handshake hold. Rock, replace, a cha-cha-cha. Now it's a crossbody lead with that right to right hand, and walk, walk, and bum, bum, ba. Another New Yorker, and rock, replace, a cha-cha-cha. So you just keep using that handshake hold, crossbody lead New Yorker combo, got yourself a half moon. We're gonna add an inside underarm turn to that half moon. And rock, step, cha-cha-cha. She comes past, walk, walk, lift the hand, inside underarm turn she goes, and we can just go right back to that half moon again. It's time for some egg beaters. It's the same as the last one, we're just gonna add left hand. Slowly, here we go. Rock, replace, left hand is on top. Now she comes past, walk, walk. I'm gonna have to get both hands over her head. Then my right hand goes over my head and my left hand goes over her head. We better do that with footwork because I wanna make sure you saw the hands. And rock, replace left hand on top. Walk, walk, a cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha. And 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Little quick tip for you. We're gonna go ahead and start normal, New Yorker that is, and 2, 3, a little bit on the waist action and switch into the right hand. Then I gotta get my right hand ready to look at the watch. She's gonna go 2, 3, outside turn, and side, together, side. And then it's the normal half moon stuff. And 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. We will need quick tips. Oh yes, we will. We have rock, replace leader. You're gonna hold a pizza right next to your neck. 4, 3-step turn, and 1, regain hold. Then 2, 3, right here, as I turn her, I'm gonna place that hand right on her neck, 4, release the hand, and then regain it around her neck.
4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1.
We do a check 2, ronde 3, gotta do a back rock, replace, side. Now leaders, go actually forward instead of back. 2, then ronde back, 3, another rock, replace, slight overturn for the leader's side. This is Lee Wen, and I'm Titus. please subscribe to our channel because that way you will be able to learn more fun, cool dance things. So the world will be a better place.
If there's a step you would like to do more variations on, just go ahead and leave us a comment. We're happy to take ideas.
Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Over her head, walk, walk, and over your own head, and then crap. Then crap.
You can only do one thing at a time.
Men. Sorry.
4 and 1.
4, and I fell over.
Sloppy tennis.
2, 3. I got job 1. Bam!
We are missing some footwork.
What the heck? Footwork? Nah.
Bing, bing.